So this website will be for homeopathic doctors all over worldwide, especially India, because in India we have doctors. In US we don't have that doctors. So just I will explain you detail what exactly that website will be. But the module one which we are building is similar here to that one. Here in this website, we will take the partners in the module one, and in the module one of this website, we will take the doctor's details. So we will take name, age, and blah blah blah. That field I will tell you in shortly. So I created new one called as Find My Remedy. I will go to mysite.dwt.php. This is the template which we built it, and I will copy this template I will save this template as Find My Remedy template. Copy this. So you will see this is the template here, and I will rename all my site to Find My Remedy. Okay. Rest all will be same, and I will copy from the my site. So we will be doing a lot of similar things in both the cases. I will copy these four and I will put it in the Find My Remedy. I put it all, and then I will put. I created inc.php, but I did not put anything in this file. I will put it soon, and I will copy this files also here in this Find My Remedy. And here we have the template called as, if I open this in, template is the my site. So I will update the template to the Find My Remedy. So now it will change to Find My Remedy template. And here index.php is also using my site.template, and I will change that to, Find My Remedy one, because this is the one template using that one. So these two files will be the Find My. Now I will make module one for this website also. That is my yesterday's one, and I will make module one for this also. So let's open the database. So setup of this database, I will, since we have already done, just now you watch only. Later on, I will show you. हाल में लेके जा, 1 second, हाल में लेके जा. इधर आवाज बहुत है, रुक जा. ले. Okay. So we created the my site as a database. Right now I will use this database for both the websites, for this also and for this also, because there will be few tables, so I can share the database between these two. So I don't need to create a separate database for this Find My Remedy. So I will be creating a table to save the data. So first table will be the partner one. So I will put the partner ID. So it will be integer, length will be 11th, primary key auto increment. So it will be increasing 1, 2, 3, 4 automatically when we enter the data here. And I will put the user ID as a second column. And in the user ID, I will be putting the user ID who is logged in. So logged in user ID will be showing here. Then I want partner created date, when does the partner was created. I will also put partner updated date, when does the partner updated. Then I will also put uh, maybe I can say active, whether this partner is active or not. I'll put integer. Maybe I'll put one character. This only partner created date. I will put daytime, updated date, date time, and maybe I can delete also. So I can also make it. Otherwise, I will not make it delete. Delete. I will delete it permanently. I will take the name of the partner. So it's a name. It should be varchar. I'll go a little bit fast because these are the simple things. I don't want to waste and explain in detail everything. Just understand that these are the fees I'm taking, and I will be taking these fees from the user. The name of the partner I want the, let's say, I want, what else I want? Gender. Gender will be male or female. So I can take enum field. Enum in I can mention male or female gender. Then I can take birth year to find the age. I will put or I may not take the, yeah, birth year is fine. Let's take that one. Or let's not put this now. Let's let it be gender and the city which they are interested in becoming the partner. So I will put one city ID will be Varkar. Each city will be having some ID which I will generate, and that ID I will put it here. And it will be, let's say, 255 maximum character. Here I will give the name of the city as a 50 character. And here I will give the name of the state as a character. And then I'll give the country as a Varkar. And then I will take the county also as a Varkar. So I want the city ID where he is interested in becoming the partner. And I also want his address because I want to see whether he lives in this city or nearby. So, maybe to allow him to use that one. And I also want, when user will create this partner ID, I will make this as a in approved because admin has to approve this partnership. So if it's there and not approved, so it should be not visible to all the users. So I will say approved equal to int1. Initially, by default, it should be 0. I'll put 0 and not null. So initially it will be 0. When admin will approve, it will be approved. Then I need some documents from him. For example, license copy. So maybe he can say his license number, driving license number. I will take Varka 255 and I will also take the copy of the license. So it will be license image. So image I will save it in my server. Here only I will give the path of the image. So this is what I'm building. Let's think what else. If you can remember anything, let me know. What else we can take from the partner? What else we can take from the partner? Can anyone tell me? User different from the partner. This partner ID will be auto increment from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This user ID will be the logged in user, the one we got it from the when someone logged in. So this partner ID will be different from the user ID. because one user can apply for 10 cities. So he will get different ID. So he will get 10 partner ID also. Okay. So I will take the license number. I will take the license image. What else I need? I need his education, because if he is not educated, I don't want him as a partner. Maybe 200. I want his current profession, and I will give him 200. Okay, so these are the fields which I take now. Maybe I will add it more in the later part. So now, since I will be saving the table for my site also and find my remedy also, so I will prefix it with something. So all the websites, all the tables which I create for the my site will be starting with the my site, and here I will say partners. So I create a partner. This user auth will be common to both because I don't want to create new user auth table unnecessary. So let it be there. Let's create another one for this doctors which I will be taking. So I want the list of doctors. So same thing which I will do. I will copy this table. So to copy this, and then I will change the fields. So I will take this SQL statement and I will put it here, and I will change the name. Here I will say find my remedy. I will name it, prefix it FMR, and here I will say doctor. So instead of partner ID, here will be the doctor ID. Here will be the doctor created date, doctor updated date, active, name, gender. So doctor will also tell me the city ID, state ID, where he is living, because when patient will come, I will, based on the location, I will redirect patient to that doctor. Country, county, address he will provide, approved, license. Doctor also has to give the license number, license image. So in education, I don't want education from the doctor, I want the degree. So in doctor field, we generally need whether he's MD or MS or whatever it is. So he needs a degree, and he should also upload his degree uh, image, that what kind of degree he has. I don't need license number and license image for this one. Okay, I will keep it. Maybe for verification, I need the ID. It is okay. So instead of license, we can also say ID. Any ID proof we can show, and the ID image. Okay, let's make it ID image. Any ID we can show and upload the image. And here I will name it as a doctor ID. Okay, and then I will add couple of more fields, but not here. I will add it through this one. So let's create this table first. Okay, so table created. I will refresh, and now I created this doctor one. I will alter it so we get all the fields. So I will add couple of more fields. For example, latitude, and here I will say double, because in addition to this city, I need the exact location of that doctor so that I can find patient near to him. So I'll make it double in both the cases, and I'll say alter. And for the partner, right now I don't think I need latitude, longitude, because partner will be based on the city. Maybe I'll take for him also. It's good to always take the latitude and longitude. latitude and longitude. Okay, so we created both the tables. Now our job is to gather the data. Now what I will do, I'll go to the my site and I will create a folder and I will name it as partners. Same thing here will I will do. I will create a folder called as doctors. I will also create a folder called as admin. Here also I'll create a folder called as admin. So whenever partner will register in the admin, I will approve it or disapprove it. Similarly for here. So let's go to the partner folder and I'll say new partner. So new.php. So I'll open the new file and I'll attach the template. So insert, not this one. Modify templates, apply template to the page. And since this is the my site, I will apply the my site template to this one. If you see the navigation is showing my site here. Similarly, in the navigation on the doctor site, I will say find my remedy. Find my remedy. So now why I'm making this website of this homeopathic doctors, not of allopathy or acupuncture or Ayurveda? Can you tell me? Or other alternative? Who can tell me why I'm making this website, not this one? Give me just rough idea why I'm making not acupuncture, not Ayurveda, not magnetotherapy, or yoga. Who can guess? Okay, so this one is, yeah, to a certain extent, this is correct. Another thing is scientifically nowadays, scientifically, scientists have said that homeopathy does not consist any medicine, no medicine. So many countries have banned the homeopathy in their country, but there are many homeopathic doctors. They are the newcomers and they don't have knowledge because knowledge comes from practice. So if you haven't practiced for 5 to 6 years, you are something kind of very newcomer. So one thing is for newcomers, this will be a network where they can share the knowledge and they can get help from the senior doctors who have the knowledge. And homeopathy people generally, many people I have seen, they don't believe in it. So homeopathy doctors are kind of, uh, you know, they are sitting idle kind of thing. So if they get some interface in the internet, they maybe, get some exposure to the world. That's another thing. So we can talk more. Homeopathy in US, in India, you definitely need certification. It's a 5 6 year course. I don't know about all other countries, but in India we have 6 year course in homeopathy. And that's the reason if you see my database, I am taking the degree. So whatever they have done, they can share their degree here. So that's it. We can talk more about it. Let's build the page now. So I will create the partners page. So here I will be putting new partner details. So I will not put some fancy thing now. I will just grab the data, and fancy part we will put later on when we are done with the functionality. So apply as a new partner. So I will say apply as a new partner, and here I will put the form, and I will say, so to apply as a partner, I will go to the insert menu. I'll go to the application objects, and I'll go to the insert record, and here I'll say record insertion form wizard. I will choose a connection. And what is this connection? I have done already, but right now just see there is a connection, and here I will see all the tables which I have created. So I have created 3 tables. You can see all the 3 tables here. So you have to mention which table you want to insert the data. So I'll say insert in the second table, my site partners. And after the insertion, I will say partner confirm page. Maybe I say confirm.php, which I will build. Right now, I haven't created it. Now, which fields you want to take from the user? So partner ID is auto increment field. So if you see partner ID, it's a auto increment. Auto increment means it will automatically be assigned by the database. So we don't need to take it from the user. So I will delete it. User ID will come as a hidden because the user will not know what is his ID. So I know what is his ID. So I will keep it as a hidden. So let's keep it as a hidden field. Now partner created is also hidden field. Partner updated, since this is the creation, not the updation, so I don't need partner updation. Active. So initially it will be active. All the fields will be active. So what I'll do, I will alter the table. I will make the active part as a default 1 and not null. So by default it is 1. So it is altered. Now same thing we'll do for the doctors. I'll make active as a 1 by default, not null. No, no, here. I'll alter it. Okay, now so since I made it default active, so I don't need it to take it from the user. I will delete it. I will take name. I'll take gender. Gender should be the select box. So I will choose a menu, and here I will put the label as a male, value as a male. Another one will be the female and female. And I will take one more. It will be select gender kind of thing, which I will move it to the top. I click OK. So this is the gender. Now city ID will be the hidden. City will be hidden. State will be hidden. Country will be hidden. County will be hidden. This will come from the Google, uh, Google autocomplete. So I have to keep it all hidden. Address will be something user has to put his address kind of thing. And I will take it as a text field. and approved. I will make it, I will not take approved because initially it will be not approved. So I will remove it. License number, I can take it a license number. And this license image will be file field, which is not available here. So right now I'll keep it as text field, but I'll change it to file upload field, education. I'll just keep it text, whatever you want. You can put profession, whatever you want. Latitude, I will make it hidden. Longitude, I will make it hidden. So you can also pick up from the map, or you have to give the drop down address to select the select the you know to select the address. So I will show you something which I did in one of my website. So let me log into this website and then I can show you. Okay, so now here I can select the address here, or I can select the address from the map. So for example, you can say that you live here. Maybe you live here kind of thing. So you can drag it and put it here, and this address will change based on your dragging. So now it's 1062 Make Drive. If I change it, see the address is changing here. Or you can select the address here, 1230 then Thomas. So map also changed it. So you can do this one, but we don't want these two functionality. We want only this address part, but we can integrate map also if you like. This is I have done in this website. We can take this also code, or I can, and you will see the latitude is changing. I will keep mouse here. The latitude will change. See, it's changing. So latitude, longitude is also changing. So we will integrate right now only this one because we want the city, and we do also want address, but address is not very useful. But choosing the address from the map is little difficult rather than choosing it from writing it here. Okay, so we will go here now. So these two will be hidden because user will choose the city and it will be automatically populated here. I will click OK. So you will see the field is created here like this. I will select the table and make it default, so it should go here. I'll make this as H3 for now, and let me put it here on the browser. So we have this one, though the looks are not now good because I did not put any looks kind of thing. I just put the form and did it. We will change the looks soon, and I can put my name Right now, I haven't integrated the address, so it's coming. If I insert it, it goes to the confirm page, which we can see in the URL confirm.php. And in the database, you will see the data is there. The user ID, I have to put it. These all things I have to really do it. Right now, I did not took the city, so everything has gone null. But gender has gone male, profession, education, license. So everything is gone, but we have to really manipulate the city using the thing which I showed you, using this thing. So we will use this kind of thing, map part, to take the address, and also I will add another one for the city. So there will be one for taking the address, because where he lives, I want that one, and another one I want for the city one. So we will manipulate this tomorrow. We will see what to do. And similarly, once we are done with this page, we will build same thing, similar way. We will do this in the find remedy one. We will create inside the doctors, we will create a new file called as new.php. We will do that thing here for the doctors. The license image should be the image file. So this is the file field. So if I go here, I will put this file field. So this file field will come, and user has to choose the file from his pictures folder or wherever he has kept the license image, and that we will upload it on the server. So we need the folder where I will be uploading. So maybe I can create a new folder called as files. And then I will put that file here. So maybe I'll say files, and I will say, okay, let's keep files now. We will create subfolders for the user and we'll save it there. So for today, this much only. You watch through the